Aaron, well, a big court ruling startling teachers and parents statewide. A Tallahassee judge ruling that the state's order forcing schools to provide on-campus learning by the end of the month is unconstitutional. CBS 12's Jay O'Brien joins us to break down what it means for your back-to-school plans. Jay?
Yeah, there was a chance you saw this today, but what it means is that a judge says the state cannot force a school district to reopen in-person schooling. But it might not affect your son or daughter's school just yet because there's a lot of hoops it has to jump through before it gets put into place.
Judge Charles Dodson gutting an order from the Florida Department of Education, writing that it's unconstitutional for the agency to force schools to reopen brick and mortar, saying it threatens safety, adding the decision should be up to local school boards and health experts. It's part of an ongoing lawsuit between the teachers union and the state, alleging it's unsafe to require schools to open their doors. In a statement tonight, the State Department of Education calls that suit frivolous, adding they're fighting to give students and parents a choice.
Cannot threaten.
Justin Katz leads the Palm Beach County Teachers Union.
I don't think that a single bureaucrat in Tallahassee or the governor, in contradiction to the Florida Constitution, should tell school boards across the state that they don't get to decide what they are legally empowered to decide.
State education officials, on the other hand, have said it's a public health crisis not to open schools. Right now, the judge's order doesn't count for Palm Beach or any of the other South Florida counties. They are all starting the school year online. But it could count for Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River, and Okeechobee, all of which are starting the school year with some kind of in-person schooling. And even if this order goes into effect, which isn't certain, it may be too late. Most school districts have already committed to plans based on that state order that guarantees some kind of brick and mortar schooling come fall.
I think that the Commissioner of Education and the governor were successful in their efforts, even though the lawsuit stayed their order.
The governor's office tells us today that they will certainly be appealing this decision. What that means is that this order does not go into effect, and instead that appeal has to go through the court process before anything can happen. And even then, today's order can get totally reversed on appeal. I'm Jay O'Brien, CBS 12 News.
Thank you.